Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're doing, well, I gotta make it. I'll be picking a cookbook, randomly flipping to a page, pointing to it while I look to the sky. Whatever I land on, I gotta make it. Let's get started. Today, I'm gonna make it from the Pioneer Cookbook. Come and get it. Let's see what I get. What'd I get? Slow cooker Mexican chicken soup. Well, I gotta make it. I just came back from the grocery store to get everything that I needed to make my chicken tortilla. What am I making? My slow cooker Mexican chicken soup. Well, I guess I better go prep the veggies. So the Pioneer lady says that she starts to lose interest in slow cooker recipes unless it's just throwing stuff in there and forgetting it. So this is a recipe that she perfected. She says it's incredibly flavorful, crowd-pleasing soup and pretty much fits the bill. So there's all these really great ingredients. Half of them I already had. I just had to go get some fresh produce. And then the fixings, so stuff that you would put on top that's different for everyone, like avocado, lime wedges, cilantro, sour cream. I've never made a Mexican tortilla soup, chicken soup in the slow cooker before. I've made regular chicken soup, so I am excited to learn how to make this and make it part of my cooking arsenal. Okay, I have everything prepped and ready to go in the crock pot. I got the chicken. I just gotta throw everything in and cook it for high for 4 to 5 hours or low for 8 hours. I'm gonna do high because we wanna eat dinner tonight. We wanna try this. I should have done this earlier in the day, but you know how those things go. That's why there's a low and a high setting. So I will check back in with you guys to show you how it all turns out. Okay, here it is. It's been 8 hours, a little tired, we're eating a little bit late, but look how gorgeous. I am so excited. I can't believe I made this from scratch. Oh my goodness. The chicken breasts I used were too big, so there's way more meat than there is broth. But I just figure once we're done, we can freeze that chicken and use it for tacos or enchiladas later. It's the beauty of Mexican food. Oh, big ol' avocado. Gotta get some of that sour cream. One of the chips. Some broth. Okay. The perfect spoonful. Oh my God. I'm so glad I made this. Well, that's it for me. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Welp, I Gotta Make It. Hope you come back and try and see some more. If you'd like to, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Check out our website, check out our blogs. We're all over social media, and can't wait to see you guys again.